So we stopped the procession. We brought a open vehicle also there. I think you saw that.
Yes.
We are very proud on behalf of the RCB and Karnataka. 18 years, a long struggle. Mr. Kohli's royalty has paid royalty, and he has been entire team, the dedication, and many of them have not left the team.
Correct.
So it is a very great and this moment of youngsters, all sections of the society.
Hello.
Today I watched from the airport to Vidhan Soda to here. I think this is not a controllable crowd. Actually, I apologize for all the people of Karnataka and Bangalore. We wanted to take a procession, but the crowd was very uncontrollable.
Yes. Sir,
So
there was
we
a study that
we dropped that procession. So I appeal to excuse us, even from the Vidhan Soda till here, though the rain came and it was the crowd was uncontrollable. The police also was finding very difficult, so we stopped the procession. We brought a open vehicle also there. I think you saw that.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, there was
So
a
any
stampede, sir.
number
At
of
least about
injured or the
7
casualty
people have
happened
died.
during
Is what
the
has been said, sir.
stampede.
Can you confirm
Sir, stadium
that?
ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ.
Control as well.
Just now from the just now from the Vidhan Soda, I couldn't bring the. I had to bring the secretary and the president in my vehicle. The crowd was so much. So
Sir,
I just-
questions
Sir,
are
you
being
are
raised
the
of
guy
whether
that
adequate
Sir,
arrangements
you
were
are
not
the
made
guy
for
we
security
had-
arrangements. How did a lapse like this happen, sir?
We had arranged more than 5,000. It is a young, vibrant crowd. This is a very, we can't use our lucky.
ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಇದು ವೆರಿ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಪ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಳೆ ಕೂಡ ಬಂತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ KC ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೈ ಮುದ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ RCB ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಗೆದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರವನ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Sir, adequate arrangements